You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
I'm Dan Galvin with Great Lake Adaptive Sports Association out of Chicago. Goalball is a sport for visually impaired. Basically, as we say it, it's reverse soccer. You have three goalies on each end. One team throws the ball to the other like bowling, and the ball has bells in it, and you have to block it, but you can't see the ball.
It's all about listening and trying to track where it's going. My name's Dylan Pleasance, and I play with the Seattle King Cobras. You don't have to rely on sighted people. Like, it's a sport that blind athletes can perform as best as they can, and there's no limits of their capabilities.
That's Dan Galvin coaching while Dylan Pleasance plays at the 360 Goalball Invitational at Ability360. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix, send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.